Today we're stepping off the pitch and into the kitchen to explore something groundbreaking. Artificial meat. Have you ever wondered how it's made? Let's dive in. Artificial meat, also known as cultured or lab-grown meat, is revolutionizing the food industry. Unlike traditional meat, which comes from animals, this meat is produced through scientific processes that mimic natural muscle growth. Tofu, derived from soybeans, emerged in China as one of the earliest meat substitutes. It was a staple in vegetarian diets, providing a versatile and nutritious alternative to animal protein. Over time, their popularity increased, and today, plant-based alternatives to meat are so popular that they have grown into a $5.6 billion industry. One way vegan meat is produced is through 3D printing. This process can produce steaks, fish, or any other sort of structured meat product. So how do they do it? 3D printed vegan meat is an innovative and emerging technology that uses 3D printing techniques with plant-based ingredients to create meat-like structures. Like traditional vegan meat production, the first step is selecting plant-based ingredients that can achieve the desired texture, flavor, and nutritional profile. Protein, fat, juiciness, and aroma are crucial elements that define the essence of traditional meat. Each of these components is recreated from scratch. Plant-based ingredients rich in protein, such as legumes, grains, and various seeds, are selected to serve as the primary protein source in the formulation. These plant-based ingredients undergo processing techniques to extract protein, which may involve grinding, soaking, or heating. Subsequently, separation methods like filtration or centrifugation are used to isolate the protein from other components. Depending on the desired texture and functionality, the isolated plant-based protein can be modified or treated using techniques like heating, extrusion, or denaturation. These processes alter the protein structure, enhancing its functionality and enabling the formation of meat-like structures. Next is the incorporation of fat, commonly sourced from plant oils such as coconut, sunflower, or canola oil, as well as fats derived from nuts or seeds. Emulsifiers are also used to create stable fat structures. Emulsification is essential for replicating the structure and functionality of fat. Plant-based fats are combined with emulsifiers, such as lecithin or gums, to form a stable emulsion. Emulsifiers facilitate the blending of water and fat, preventing separation and delivering a creamy or fatty mouthfeel. To mimic the structure of fat, plant-based ingredients undergo processing using various structuring techniques. These techniques involve manipulating the ingredients to create fat-like structures, such as droplets or globules. Maintaining adequate moisture content in 3D printed vegan meat is crucial for achieving a juicy texture. Plant-based ingredients with higher water-holding capacities, such as specific proteins or fibers, are incorporated into the formulation to retain moisture during cooking. Additionally, ingredients like hydrocolloids or starches can help bind and retain moisture within the 3D printed vegan meat. These ingredients can create a gel-like structure that holds water, contributing to the juiciness and succulence of the final product. Finally, heme is incorporated into the mix. Heme is an iron-containing molecule found in animal muscle tissue and is responsible for the characteristic taste and aroma of meat. While heme is predominantly found in animal sources, it can also be produced through fermentation, using genetically engineered yeast. The formulated mixture is loaded into a 3D printer, which consists of a computer-controlled extrusion system. The printer is programmed with a digital model or design of the desired meat structure. The nozzle extrudes the plant-based paste layer by layer, adhering to the design specifications. The 3D printer deposits the plant-based material in precise layers, constructing the desired meat-like structure. It can create complex geometries and intricate patterns, replicating the texture and appearance of conventional meat. Once the 3D printing is complete, the printed meat structure may undergo post-processing steps. These steps can include curing or setting the material to enhance its texture, drying or dehydration to remove excess moisture, and potentially applying heat or cooking methods to improve flavor and overall product characteristics. After the printing and post-processing steps, the 3D printed vegan meat structure may be seasoned or flavored to enhance its taste. Applying marinades, sauces, or other flavorings to imitate the flavors of meat can be one way to do this. The meat market does not now include much artificial meat, but this is set to change as a result of investors like Bill Gates supporting startups and research. In fact, studies indicate that 1/3 of the world's meat market will be accounted for by plant-based meat by 2054.